guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my July Boxycharm unboxing. So let's go ahead and get right into it. It actually feels very heavy this month. I didn't see any spoilers for this month either. The weight of my box, it doesn't say it on here, but I will look it up in my shipping info and let you guys know. And then the theme is sunshine. The number I got is 31. And then let's get into everything. Okay, so the first thing that I got is from the brand Grace and Stella. It says it's like an energy drink for your eyes. I appreciate that phrase because anytime I actually talk about this that I just finished today, the Smashbox Primer Water or Primer Waters, I always say it's like Gatorade for your face. You guys have probably heard me say that, so I appreciate that phrase. And it's just eye mask, anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask, which I am all about all the time. I have a little skincare fridge and I like to use these in the morning to depuff my eyes. All right, so these look fancy. Ooh, these are so cute. So they are gold. Oh, this is actually very cute. I'm looking at like where I can put this, and on my vanity I have like a little display where I keep my eye patches just like stacked like this. And that's gonna look really cute because it looks basically decorative. I've never been excited when I get like sheet masks or things like this or like lip masks in my bags, but this is like a whole nother level. Like this looks very expensive. Like this looks sophisticated. So I am very excited for these, and they actually look like really thick because some eye patches are like super flimsy. Like I go to put it on and it like falls apart instantly. Okay, so those retail, it looks like it comes with like 12. Yeah, 12 pairs. And it retails for $21. It's actually not too bad. And then next up, okay, so this is from the brand 111 Skin. I got a serum a couple months ago in Boxycharm from them. This is a pollution defense booster. And it provides multi-action protection against pollutants and artificial visible light, like from your computer screen and stuff. I'm a little confused about what this is. I think like a serum or like an essence kind of product. I will add it to my routine. I know this brand is very expensive. It retails for $135. So my face better be pollution free when I use that. And then we got a product from Pure Cosmetics. I haven't gotten anything from Pure in a while. They've been like back on my radar because of that collab with Raw Beauty Chrissy. I didn't end up getting that palette, but I might in the future. I just didn't want to like jump on it right now. I haven't been buying a lot of makeup. But this is Festival 2.0 12-piece pressed pigment palette. So maybe it's gonna be, yeah, I think it's gonna be pretty colorful. Let's see if I want to keep it. You guys know sometimes I don't hang on to the palettes. I might actually be doing a palette declutter in the next month or so because I want to just minimize my palettes. I basically use like the same 3 every day. And let's see what's in here. All right, so this really reminds me, I believe it was Pure and Trolls did a collab, and this reminds me of that so much. And I remember a couple years ago, I had the Pure collab like with My Little Pony. I don't necessarily think I want to swatch this. It's not anything I need in my collection. It looks like it would be pretty pigmented though. I just don't want to like waste a palette just swatching it and then not be able to give it away brand new anymore. So I'm going to hang on to this, and then if I change my mind, I'll show you guys how I feel about it. All right, so the Pure palette retails for $36. And then next up I have from Hourglass. I don't think I've found an Hourglass in my boxes before. This is the Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. I wonder, dark brunette. Okay, so they're probably got the right shade. Let me know if you ever get things in your subscription boxes that are like completely wrong. I feel like this was a hyped up pencil for a while, but I've never tried it. It's not like a round tip. It's almost like a little bit of a flat tip. And let's see. I feel like this is gonna be, looks a little bit light, but it can definitely, that's definitely gonna work on my brows. And it does have like a pretty small, precise tip. All right, so the brow sculpting pencil retails for $28. I actually am really excited for this because I feel like when it first came out, I really wanted it, and then I completely forgot about it. And then lastly, eyeliner. Yeah, I think this is an eyeliner. This is from the brand Douce, I believe. I think I've gotten products, maybe Boxycharm, and probably Ipsy as well from them in the past. I know I've gotten eyeshadows that I didn't like from this brand, but let's see. Just a felt tip eyeliner. I feel like when in doubt in my boxes, if they don't know what to throw in, add an eyeliner because I end up using them all the time. It is a precise liner for sure. I've never had like a eyeliner that I like hated that I've gotten recently, so I will definitely use that as well. And it retails for $21, and it is also waterproof. All right, so I actually think I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the eyeshadow palette because I have a little bit of FOMO not trying this out. I know I'm like completely countering what I said about 1 minute ago, but these are actually shades that I do have in my collection, but they look really pretty, and I know I'll probably end up using them, especially like this green shade, actually both of these green shades, and these two I always wear, obviously, like shades like that, so hopefully I don't regret it. I'm gonna be really sad if it's not, I'm like nervous. I'm gonna be really sad if it's not pigment. Okay, this is a good one. Oh, that is so pretty. I am excited. Okay, I'm really glad that I just watched this because I can tell like I'm actually gonna use this palette. I might not use all the mattes, like that's mainly the reason. I was like, I don't love the mattes in here, but these shimmers are actually gorgeous. I was thinking they were gonna be a little bit more like pressed glitters, like not have that, oh, that's so pretty. Not have that like creamy pigmentation, but they definitely feel like foiled wet shadows because they almost look chunky. You guys can probably see it looks like a little bit chunky in the pan, but it's definitely not. Like this one, ooh. This is like a dark green. I used to love shades like this. It basically almost looks like a silver. Oh, I was gonna totally miss out because this is actually stunning. I take back everything I said 2 minutes ago about it being like an average palette because this is so incredibly stunning. Like every single one of these are going to be shades I use all the time. There you go. There's a whole palette. I need to learn how to line things up better. But especially all of these. Like, okay, seeing it on my arm, I would totally wear every single one of these shades. It's kind of like don't judge a book by its cover because I just saw like, it looks almost like a Morphe palette or something, like looks super, super simple. So I just kind of like passed over it. That looks so good. Oh, like these greens. I'm so excited. So the palette, oh, this is an awesome box now that I'm actually keeping like the main component of the box. It makes me happy. Okay, so that palette is $36. I don't even want to take off these swatches because they're so pretty. And I feel like I should have ordered the Raw Beauty Chrissy palette because I was thinking that I didn't like the eyeshadow formula from Pure Cosmetics. Like I have bronzers. I love their foundation to death. But I just thought like I didn't like their eyeshadow formula. So that's part of why I didn't order her palette. Yo, I should have ordered it. And I think they just sold out like an hour before I'm filming this video, but maybe I'll get it. I think they're actually gonna restock. This is so pretty. Let me go ahead and tell you guys the total value of my box this month. The total value is, no, I don't believe this. It's not $241, hang on. It is, but I'm gonna do it again. It is gonna be $241 because just the booster is $135. My mind is so blown right now. Like this is the highest value box ever, and I like everything that I got. Like, wow. Yes, there we go, $241. I should have realized that once I looked back at the price of this, because otherwise it would be about $130, which is usually like around the price point of my box. But this makes me so happy. I just was sad like wiping away these swatches, but this is a good box. Like, this is a really good box, really high value, 2 skincare products, 3 makeup products. So that is everything in my box this month, and it makes me so happy. And I'm so mad at myself that I wasn't gonna swatch this palette, but I'm so glad that I did. And I'll probably do like some Instagram looks with this palette because it's so pretty. Like, I really like the combination of like brown and like this kind of silvery shade with like this pinkish transition shade. I'm so excited. Like, it's been a while since I like swatched an eyeshadow, and I'm like, I need to try that. So there you go. It's a great box this month. Let me know what you guys ended up getting in your Boxycharm this month. And if you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I do have an affiliate link with them, and I will leave it in my description box. But that's going to be everything for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.